introducing Govardhan Eco Village. And Shri Swapnanil Talukdarji, who is a consultant at Govardhan Eco Village, is going to be giving us an idea about how they are envisioning Ahara Kranti. Just for the records, through Govardhan Eco Village and ISKCON, they are providing midday meals for 1.5 crore children. It is real mind-boggling number because with 30 crore students in the system, they are providing 1.5 crore is a huge number. So with that, let me invite Sri Swapnanil Talukdarji. Swapnanilji.
Namaste. Greetings to all the esteemed guests, panelists, and organizers. Thank you so much, first of all, for giving us the opportunity to kind of share our ideas and thoughts. And a brief about Govardhan Eco Village. So, Govardhan Eco Village started around 2 decades back, and we have three main key areas that we are focusing into right now: sustainability, self transformation, and social impact. So in these three aspects, we have subcategorized around 17 key activities and sustainability initiatives at the campus, because Govardhan Eco Village is a 100-acre campus that focuses on different social impact initiatives. In today's topic of discussion regarding AHAR, one of the key initiatives that I would like to share with all of you is our Govardhan Anakshetra and Govardhan Center for Hunger and Nutrition. It is my pleasure to kind of share with all of you, and after the last discussion that we had with the GISC team and Ahar Kranti team, we were able to kind of formalize a structure around Govardhan Center for Hunger and Nutrition. And recently we got in tied up with Israel government as well in terms of knowledge sharing and in terms of best practices that we'll be sharing with the government of Israel. And some of the key action areas that you can see in the slides include periodic assessment of dietary and nutritional problems, policy intervention, personal hygiene, poverty elimination, promoting genetic diversity in food, preventing food waste, preparing toolkits and training programs. So keeping these action areas in mind, and also the auspicious occasion of today, we are very glad to share with all of you that we have key action areas in mind in terms of collaborating with Ahar Kranti, and those are as follows: policy advocacy, sharing of best practices in terms of dietary practices, supporting ground zero activities and research work for Ahar Kranti along with Govardhan Eco Village, popularizing the sustainable development goals amongst the masses, and organizing seminars and online workshops along with Ahar Kranti are the key areas of collaboration that we have in mind. And we are very much kind of happy and glad to kind of share this journey along with Ahar Kranti or GISC team. And as you can see in the slide, these are some of the activities and awards that Govardhan Eco Village has been able to receive in the last 2 decades. And one prominent award that I would like to share with all of you is in 2017, United Nations World Tourism Organization has awarded us the best ecotourism spot in the world. And that gives us kind of a responsibility that in terms of sustainability and in terms of empowering the people around in and around Govardhan Eco Village in the district of Palghar are our key vision that we have in mind. And with this, I would like to kind of conclude my thoughts and remarks from our initiative. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swapnanilji. It's a very, what should I say, mutually learning for us. And like a couple of other, almost all the other organizations, it is very inspiring for us. I think you not only give through midday meal program physical food to the children, but you are giving us a lot of intellectual food in terms of how we can take this Ahara Kranti more faster and wider. So thank you very much.